So if you recently purchased a Ronin from DJI and are a fan of the Peaks Design capture clip, you may have noticed that even though it's supposed to have Arca Swiss compatibility, and this is supposed to as well, they don't quite fit together. So what you can do is switch out the hot shoe mount for one from SmallRig that is actually compatible with the capture clip. Grab 3061 from SmallRig and put it in your gimbal and you're good. Well, that's what you might think.
I say, hold up.
So this should fit right in, but there's a bit of a tight tolerance. And even though you've opened this all the way, there's still something you gotta do. So what you need to do is get yourself a tiny little Torx bit and unscrew this. And then reveal this. And here you can set it a bit wider. Check if it fits the new plate. Snap this back in. See if it's tightened down. If not, a little tighter. Give it another 1/8 of a turn. There we go. This isn't going anywhere. Open it up. Yeet! And once you have that where you want it, tighten this back down to make sure that handle doesn't come off. Now you can mount your Peak Design capture clip. So there you go. You can keep using your capture clip, not having to constantly change these mounts, unless of course you're using the focus motor on this. You can easily switch between gimbal and whatever you're using the Peak Design capture clip for. I love it. It's a €30 fix, but honestly, when you're on a shoot and you don't have a lot of time to keep switching plates, it's a lifesaver. So hey, there you go. I'll link the product in the description. Give it a go, and I'll see you in the next one. And it's an easy fix. Damn, that was so cheesy. Yeah, it is.